Hey guys, welcome back. If you are looking for a different kind of steak, then you are in the right place, because we will cook a healthy and delicious tuna steak with an amazing side dish. So let's get to it. First, we start by slicing our tuna. We don't want it too thick. We season them with salt and ground black pepper on all sides. We let them rest for a minute, and for our side dish, we slice some sweet potatoes and we will use some green beans. We add some extra virgin olive oil on top, and we season with salt, ground black pepper, and some dried rosemary, but you can use fresh if you want. We give it a good mix, and we put it on a baking tray, and we will bake them for roughly 30 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. When done, in a hot cast iron pan we add some butter, followed by the tuna. We sear the steaks on both sides for roughly 2 to 3 minutes. If you like them medium rare, then sear them for 1 or 2 minutes depending on the thickness of the steaks. Our vegetables are done, and as a last step, we chop some fresh parsley. This delicious meal is done in minutes, and it is a healthy option that is worth making. Try it out and let us know what you think. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave us a comment below. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.